Hello everyone, welcome back to EuroHub. In this video, we will see the latest job notification from Liquid Propulsion System Center, Trivandrum, which is a part of ISRO. And this notification is for apprentice trainee, and this is applicable for both graduate in engineering as well as diploma holders. We can see in this notification we have several branches which you can apply: mechanical engineering, electronics and communication, chemical, civil, and library science. And you can see the number of vacancies also. For aero engineers, they can apply in the category of mechanical engineering, and the monthly stipend will be for 9,000 rupees. And this duration of training is for 1 year, and the location of training is for in Liquid Propulsion System, that's in Trivandrum, Kerala. And same for diploma holders. And there is a certain amount of age limit that depends upon the rules of apprenticeship that is mentioned in the MHRD website. And you can see how you are going to apply. Those who are registered in the web portal earlier for apprenticeship training, you can follow the steps given here. You have to log in and you have to click on the establishment request menu, click on the find establishment. You have to upload your resume, then type Indian Space Research Organization Liquid Propulsion System Center and search. Then you have to click apply again. Okay, those who have registered previously in the apprenticeship web portal, you can use this. Those who haven't registered, you can go for this step. You have to go log into this website, then you have to click on enroll, then you have to complete the application form, then you will get a unique enrollment number and go to the second step that is mentioned in previous step also. Okay, so there is no, for attending the interview there is no TADA, and there is no, they won't give any money for boarding and lodging. And this is the application start date is 30th of June, and the enrollment, the last date for enrollment is 20th of July, and last date for applying is 26th of July. And it will, the shortlisted candidate will be listed on their website on 2nd of August 2021, and you have to produce your certificate during the interview. Okay, so kindly use this opportunity. For aero engineers, you can apply in the mechanical discipline, okay, for apprenticeship training, and it's a really good opportunity. And the amount of money you are getting will be very less, but the amount of experience you are getting from a prestigious organization like ISRO will be very valid. Thank you for listening. Take care.